ag Scåtåil sa Pháirc. Lá greenmhar a bhí ann. Bhí Rossa agus Gordo ag Scåtåil sa Pháirc. Bhí Daddy agus Nasa ag féacant Rossa. Féach ormsa! Bhí áthas Rossa. Maithú sa Daddy. An sin thosaigh Rossa ag pleicíocht. Stop den fleicíocht sa Daddy. Go tuban, hit sé an talamh. Go bhfuair a dia uirinn sa Daddy. Cad atá cearr leat? Tá pian i mo chus, tá sí briste. Ghlé Daddy an ospidéal. Tháinig an tuthar a 3:00. Thuaigh Rossa agus Daddy isteach san uthar. Thuaigh Nasa agus Gordo a bhaile. Bhí Daddy agus Rossa san ospidéal. Déach an doctor rútín Rossa. Tá an rútín briste sa an doctor. Chur an bhanaltra bindeláin rútín Rossa. Thuaigh Rossa a bhaile agus hí sé síos sa seomra sí. Rossa bocht. Conas atá tú anois sa mummy. Tám ceart galore sa Rossa. So, ag Scåtåil sa Pháirc means skating in the park. Lá greenmhar a bhí ann. It was a lá greenmhar, a sunny day. It was a sunny day. Bhí Rossa agus Gordo ag Scåtåil. Rossa and Gordo were skating sa Pháirc in the park. Bhí Daddy agus Nasa ag féacant Rossa. Daddy and Nasa were looking or watching Rossa. Féach ormsa sa Rossa. Look at me, said Rossa. Maithú, good you, or well done. Bhí áthas Rossa. Rossa was happy. Now, an sin thosaigh Rossa ag pleicíocht. Then Rossa started ag pleicíocht. Pleicíocht means messing. And Daddy, of course, said, stop den pleicíocht. Stop that messing. Go tuban, suddenly, hit sé an talamh. He fell, hit sé means he fell an talamh on the ground. And Daddy said, go bhfuair a dia uirinn. God help us. That's what that means. Now, cad atá cearr leat? What's gone wrong with you? Said Daddy, said Daddy. And Rossa said, tá pian in my chus. There's a pain in my chus. There's a pain in my foot. Tá sí briste. It's broken. Now, ghlé Daddy an ospidéal. Ghlé means called. Daddy called the hospital. Tháinig an tuthar car. The ambulance came 3:00 at 3:00. Thuaigh Rossa agus Daddy isteach san uthar. Rossa and Daddy went into the ambulance. Meanwhile, thuaigh Nasa agus Gordo a bhaile. Nasa and Gordo went a bhaile home. Bhí Daddy agus Rossa san ospidéal. Daddy and Rossa were in the hospital. Déach an doctor routine Rossa. The doctor looked at Rossa's routine, Rossa's ankle. Tá an routine briste. Your ankle is broken, son doctor, said the doctor. Chur an vanaltra, the nurse put a bindle on. A bindle is a bandage, routine Rossa on Rossa's ankle. Thuaigh Rossa a bhaile. Rossa went home, agus hí sé síos. He sat down, sa seomra sí, in the sitting room. And then Mummy says, Rossa booked, poor Rossa. Conas atá tú anois, how are you now? And Rossa says, Tom Cart Galore, I'm okay.